Shweta on the vocals and Ashwin on the keyboard.
And we just want to apologize for the technical delay that we had earlier. I hope it's not going to happen again. But let's move ahead. So Shravan, what did we see in the last performances? We saw Bharatnatyam, right?
Bharatnatyam, which was the classical dance.
And then we saw the Telugu guys come in and put up some peppy.
Oh yeah, some peppy moves and those kind of things. So
yeah,
is that
the next
performance related to any one of them again?
It is. It's actually going to be a mix of both of these. You're going to have some classical brought in. You're going to get some Bollywood mainstream music.
It's like a fusion.
Yeah, it's basically blending all of this together.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, the next performance is actually a fusion of classical and Bollywood together. So, I'll let the guys take the stage.
Definitely. guys. Great work.
Okay,
Shravan,
so,
yeah, so we finished classical, we finished Bollywood, we finished fusion. What next, man? We did anything else?
Next I'm going to dance again, and these guys are going to get bored of my dance.
Yeah.
Same old thing. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we should do something more.
Anyway, I mean, let's get on with the show first. What do we have coming up, Ashish?
I think it's folk.
Oh, by the way, I just realized that we guys didn't introduce ourselves. We were so involved in the show. This is Ashish. Please give him a big round of applause.
And this is Shravan.
Yeah, please give me a big round of applause. And I've been here for a while now. Some of the mountains came up after me. So,
That is true.
anyway, sorry, we should talk about the show again.
The performance, yeah. Focus on that.
Sorry, what was the performance again? I'm sorry.
Folk? Folk, yes.
Oh yes, folk. So continuing with the tradition, we've seen some folk dances. So here's the thing, there are women in India, there are a lot of dances which are very specific to women in India, where there are folk dances, there are various types of dances. Now this next performance which is going to come up, it's called Kuttu Kotam. It's actually a folk dance, right? From the southern part of India.
From Andhra Pradesh.
From Kerala.
Kerala, right.
We are sorry, but it's from the southern part of India. It's from a state called Kerala, from the southern part of India. So without much delay, I will allow them to take over the stage. Thank you.
All right, guys.